Hello everyone and welcome back to a new episode of Sailing Prosperity. Today's episode will end up with a happy and very excited man with an amazing catch. One of the biggest fish I have ever caught. I also managed to take some amazing drone shots from the anchoring place and this old German bunker called Luton Artillery Batteries. It was built during Second World War in 1944 to protect the German ships. Luckily, it was only in use for 1 year before Norway became a free country again. But before all that, I just want to explain to you what happened to me in the last episode, and these next clips were shot the day after my arrival to this lagoon. Good morning everyone. Well, it's not morning, it's midday. Yesterday was a learningful experience for me. As you know, I'm really low on energy, and now when I look back I can see that I shouldn't have taken out on the trip yesterday. I was actually exhausted before I got all the supplies to the boat. Then I started working on the engine and I felt really tired. I could see that, well, maybe I get to sail today. And that was so motivating, so I just kept pushing and pushing and pushing. And when the wind picked up and the waves picked up, it wasn't that bad. The waves and the wind was on the most 25-30 knots, so it wasn't too bad. It wasn't difficult to handle, even solo sailing. But with my energy level, it became too much. So when I got to this anchorage, pulled out the anchor, tested that I was secure to the ground, cleaned up the boat, had some food, and then just went straight to bed. I was beat. This morning as well, I'm not feeling too well, so the learning of this experience is that I need to pay more attention to my energy levels and go a little bit easier on the sailing, because the last couple of months have been great, but yesterday I was a little bit too eager, and that has put me out. So the plan was to sail further on this morning, and now it's midday, and I think I have to go to rest, get some more sleep. It doesn't look like I will be leaving here today. It will be an interesting night. There has been forecasted a thunderstorm coming over here, but this surroundings is quite good for a thunderstorm. As you can see, there are islands in every direction, so I know there's a lot of waves. I can see them pushing to some of the reefs outside, but in here it's completely flat. And I also have this forest. It is higher than my mast, so I think I will be safe for the lightning. So, but that's life. We learn as long as we live, and my next sail will definitely be smoother, and I will be sure to have enough rest before I take out and move further on. Good morning everyone, it's a new morning, a new day, and I feel great. It's fantastic to wake up to this surroundings. The sun is up, the birds are up, and it's just fantastic. So today I'm going out sailing again. Let's see what we can find out. Hopefully there will be a little bit more wind today, or else it will just be motoring. But I'm leaving this place for a new adventure. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, so this is going to be a fantastic day. I'm so excited. There's a little breeze, so I can put the head sail up, just slide down in the water. I'm leaving this beautiful location here, but it's time to move on, so I got all my fishing gear ready. Hopefully I'll get some food as well. So we'll see. Now I just have to get an anchor up and then I'm ready to go. Well, that's it. Now it's just getting out there. That'll be fun. But maybe someday I'll be back. Sometimes when everything just feel nice and calm, that's not always the truth. So in here the water is flat, there is no wind, but I can see where I'm going. There's still not much wind, but the waves are really crushing into the reefs. Might be a bumpy ride after all. There's not enough wind to sail. I will be just drifting around here, and since there are so many reefs and small islands, I don't want to take the chance when I'm fishing. See, there is a local guy over there. I don't get it on camera, but he's also fishing, so that's always a good sign when the locals are fishing. Some big waves there. I'm not sure if I can film this. I don't want to lose the camera. The camera has to go. In a new position for you. I don't know how this is going to look, but see. Disadvantage with fishing in between the reefs here is that some of them are actually quite shallow. So going over a reef that is only 6 meters deep. I think I'll just take in the bait and get it in the sea again afterwards. Last night the show was some periods with heavy winds. Really glad I chose the anchoring place that I did. And even though it's good protected, it's I could really feel the wind pulling the chain on the boat. But it's a good location. It's a solid ground, sand and mud. See on the waves out now that it has been a windy night, that's for sure. It's only blowing 5 knots now. It's a bit too little, and the waves are crushing. I have to show you this. big slow waves today. Wind is not picking up. It's getting a bit deeper or something. This area it's around 60 meters deep now, even though we are this close to shore. That's kind of crazy. And some of these waves are massive. But they are so slow, it's just rolling with it. It was much worse on the last trip. They were so steep. Boat was pounding around, but this is just, it's like floating. And yeah, we are actually floating. So I'm entering this ferry passage, and yeah, I'm trying to keep up with the waves, but they're just going too fast for me. I was riding them on, but there's 3 knots of wind against me, so the sails won't help me anything. Sure, it's lovely weather today. The sun is shining, so I can't complain. Another nice day at the sea. So that was a roller coaster. A bit surprised over the big waves there, but it's actually dead calm outside today. So that's just away from the night's wind that we had there. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm now in between some islands, so the scenery is fantastic. Take a look. Absolutely nothing to complain about. This is just to sit down and enjoy. Fantastic day. Absolutely. Look at this view. It's fantastic. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Oh, I'm low on battery. Okay, let's see. Ready? Oh. Oh, this is fun. I love catching fish. Oh my. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh, it's strong. Oh, come on, we can do this, we can do this. Oh, yes, 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 yes. No, 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 no. Don't go away. Oh, it's too big. Oh, yes, I got it inside. Ah, fantastic. Fantastic, fantastic. Look at this one. I love it. I love it. Perfect. So, there we go. Fantastic. Yes. Ah, perfect. That was fun. I was almost losing my hope here. I need to get a bigger fishing bucket. Look at this. Yes, I like it. That was an amazing trip. Even though there was big waves, that was quite interesting with no wind at all. The sun has been shining and it has been really good. Especially when I caught that big fish. That's big for me to be. So that was really fun. And now I'll get down and prepare my dinner. So until next time, have fun. That's all for now. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from us. And if you hit the alert button as well, you will get notified whenever we release a new video.